Okay, what do you want to say?
Pretty.
Who's pretty?
Say
Amy is pretty.
And really pretty.
Am-
And really pretty. And really pretty.
Who's your favorite person in the whole world?
Ooh.
Who? Okay,
He
wait.
bubbled
Look,
it.
where's the camera? What? You're not even on the film. Okay, tell the camera who. Where? What are you doing tonight?
I'm hugging you.
But I can't see you.
I'm hugging you.
Oh, you're hugging me? What about tonight at your house?
I'm gonna hug you.
Where? Look, Grandpa's on film. You want to see him?
Hey.
That's not nice. I think you need to go give him a hug. He's crying. Okay, go give him a hug.
That's
Go
it? You're
give him a
hugging
hug.
my knee?
Go give him a hug.
I did.
You're lazy.
I'm ready hug.
Bye, everyone. Have a good rest of your weekend. Nice meeting you.
Okay, bye. Camera's going off.